Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to increase your Remitly transfer limit. When you first open a Remitly account, you start at a basic verification tier with strict limits on how much money you can send. To unlock higher transaction amounts, daily caps, and monthly ceilings, you must upgrade your account status through additional identity verification. The first step is to check your current limits. Open the Remitly app or log into your account via the website. Navigate to your settings, profile, or account menu, and select Sending Limits. This screen shows your exact tier and the remaining amount you are allowed to send. To move to a higher tier, you will need to provide more documentation to satisfy financial regulations and anti-money laundering laws. Remitly uses a multi-tier system. Moving from Tier 1 to Tier 2 generally requires submitting a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. You will also need to ensure that your full legal name, date of birth, and residential address match your official documents. If you need even higher limits, such as those required in Tier 3, you must supply supporting documents that verify your financial background. Remitly may request proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or official bank statement, as well as documentation confirming your source of funds or source of income. Acceptable proof of income typically includes recent pay slips, tax returns, business financial statements, or documentation showing the specific origin of the money you are transferring. You can submit these documents directly through the prompts in the Remitly app or website. Once uploaded, Remitly's compliance team reviews the files, a process that usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days. Keep in mind that your transfer capability is also influenced by the payment method you choose and the destination country. Funding your transfer directly through a bank account or ACH transfer often grants higher maximum limits compared to using a credit card or debit card. Additionally, certain receiving countries or cash pickup locations enforce lower maximum payout restrictions due to local regulations. If you attempt a transfer that exceeds your current bracket, the platform will automatically prompt you with the exact steps and document requirements needed to clear that specific transaction. For specialized needs or high-value transfers, you can also reach out directly to customer support or use dedicated assistance channels like Remitly Concierge if you meet the qualification thresholds. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.